Hi, I am Ravindra Pal Chawla and I am the Program Director with City University. There is a rising demand of healthcare professionals as Indian healthcare industry is expected to be $372 billion by 2022. City University is leader in providing healthcare and paramedical education in India, as we have tied up with the leading multi and super specialty NABH accredited hospitals having state-of-the-art infrastructure and the clinical interface for the best training and the academic interface. Our focus is towards student-centric pedagogy and the holistic development so that our students can advance high in their career.
I'm Vibhan Gill. I'm the Vice President of Max Healthcare in Punjab. I look after Max Mohali and Max Bathinda. I'm also a very proud alumni of City University, Ludhiana. As you are aware, the last year and a half has put a lot of pressure on the healthcare systems in India. And of course, Punjab would not be left behind. We've run short of trained manpower, we've run short of beds, we've been through very, very difficult times. We are proud to have been associated with City University for training their students and bringing in new people into the healthcare stream and giving value to healthcare that is really required in today's world. I wish City University all the best, and I'm sure that with their training curriculum and they would be able to actually bring in a lot of talent into the healthcare stream. Thank you.
Ivy Hospital and City University in collaboration are starting a bachelor degree program for cardiac care technology, and this will give them best experiential handholding and good opportunities for job in the future.
Doctors, technicians, paramedics at Punjab Institute of Medical Sciences are highly professional and ever ready of their experiential hand-holding with paramedical students with live demo of procedures and clearing their doubts for better understanding.
Modern day education and training is vastly different what we used to have in previous years. It's definitely multidisciplinary. It needs technical skills, set of skills. We cannot wait for the long learning curves. In this context, Mohan Das Oswal Hospital, Ludhiana and City University, Ludhiana have jointly designed certain programs which will involve teaching in classrooms of City University and clinical training in Mohan Das Oswal Hospital, Ludhiana. We are a super specialty 300 bedded hospital catering to the needs of the poorest of the poor. This extensive hands-on training will help the future generation of healthcare workers in delivering to the community needs. Thank you.
Over a period of these years, NHS Hospital Jalandhar has become synonymous with quality and holistic approach in healthcare delivery. We are accredited with NABH, NABH CEFI and NABH Nursing Excellence Award. We also got our National DL Shah Quality Award twice by Quality Council of India. We believe that healthcare staff should be empathetic and responsive towards patients' care. We are happy to collaborate with City University to impart hands-on training to its paramedical students about patient centricity and globally recognized healthcare quality standards.
My name is Dr. Surinder Pal Singh Bedi. I am the Director for Clinical Services, Indus Group of Hospitals. Recent pandemic has put tremendous pressure on the healthcare infrastructure, and we need trained critical care staff to manage our ICUs.